Callous is an adjective that describes someone as emotionally insensitive, unfeeling, or indifferent to the suffering of others. It can also refer to something physically hardened, like skin. Origins. The word comes from the Latin callosus, meaning thick-skinned or hardened, but it entered English in the late Middle Ages, retaining both its literal and figurative meanings. Explanation and usage. Callous is often used to describe people who show little empathy or concern for others, especially in situations where kindness or compassion is expected. Example sentences. His callous disregard for the homeless shocked his friends. Years of hardship had made her emotionally callous to cultural significance. The term is frequently used in discussions about morality, leadership, and relationships, where emotional detachment or cruelty is criticized. It appears often in literature and media to depict cold or unfeeling characters. Synonyms: insensitive, lacking concern for others' feelings; unfeeling, emotionally cold or indifferent; hardened, made tough or unresponsive to emotions. Antonyms: compassionate, showing kindness and concern; empathetic, understanding and sharing the feelings of others; tender, gentle, caring, and sensitive. In key takeaway, callous describes both physical toughness and emotional coldness. It often implies a lack of concern for others, making it a critical term in social and moral discussions. Subscribe.